Adding a link to a website is very easy to do in Moodle as any program. Actually, they're all very similar. So in this case, I'm just going to turn my editing on in a section in which I will show you how to create a link. I'll enlarge my editor so it's a little bit bigger view for you. And I'll go down to, well, it doesn't really matter because I'm just doing a sample anyhow. I will just go to, I'll just choose a text that I'm wanting to create a hyperlink to. I highlight that text. I go up to the very top here where it says Insert Web Link, and this will appear. In this case, I would type in or paste in my website address in which I'm wanting to link to when this item is selected. And I'd want to change this target to new window, very important, so that when you close that window, once it pops open, it doesn't close you right out of Moodle altogether. Then I go OK. I'm going to minimize my editor, save my changes. And then I'm going to scroll down to where I had done that, and I think I just chose adding labels. So I'm going to click on that. Automatically a new window will appear and it will open up. So it looks like I must have done an incorrect address. So then I would just have to make sure my address is correct. So that is how you would add a web address. Here we are. So that's how you add a URL. So you can hyperlink pictures, text, it doesn't matter. Anything that you select, you can hyperlink. So just keep that in mind. It doesn't have to be words that you're hyperlinking, but a good rule of thumb is that when you're linking to something, not to have the URL address sprawled all the way across. It doesn't look very nice design-wise, and it's much more concise just to have a really good label to whatever you're linking to, and then directly to that label. Also, it's really good to avoid language such as click here to find this link, etc. People know that if it's underlined, that it's a link nowadays, and so the whole vocabulary of click here is just not needed anymore. Thanks, and hopefully that helped.